if you experience pressure in your forehead like a headache, I want you to push the lymph node or press right there. There's a lymph node right there, and press here. Are they swollen or are they tender? And push right there is a lymph node too. If that's swollen or tender, I want you to drain them. And now I'm going to show you how you drain them. My name is Rune Åbø, and I try to teach you to get pain-free. And by draining this lymph node like this, because this lymph node have expanded, it will block the drainage to your nerves, your veins, and your sinuses. So if your sinuses get blocked or your lymph node is too big, it will give pressure to your forehead and maybe give you headache. So do this. Drain this lymph node like that. Use your thumb, squeeze in and press inwards, and like that. And this lymph node, use your thumb like that and go in and squeeze it. Oh, there we go. It should be not swollen, it should not be tender when you push like here. Check the other side, maybe more tender on this side than this side. Same here. Take one side at the first, squeeze it like this, and do other side, and then maybe your headache goes away. Thank you. My name is Rune Åbø. I'm a muscle therapist, and my specialty is the lymphatic system. Help your body drain the garbage yourself. So please make sure you subscribe, and I will try to teach you to get pain-free. Thank you.